Hello everyone, I am Zeeshan Amir Khan. Today we will discuss about Imran Khan biography. But before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel for informative videos and click the bell icon. So let's start.
Let's discuss about the childhood life of Imran Khan. Imran Khan was born on October 5, 1952 in Lahore into a well-off Pashtun family to Ikramullah Khan Niazi and Shaukat Khanum. He grew up as the only son in the family with 4 sisters. He completed his schooling from English medium HSN College, Lahore, and went to the Royal Grammar School, Worcester, England to pursue higher studies. He graduated in philosophy, politics and economics from Keble College, University of Oxford in 1975. Hailing from a cricketing family, he played the game as a teenager in Pakistan and continued in England. He married English socialite Jemima Goldsmith in a traditional Islamic ceremony in Paris in May 1995, who converted to Islam before marriage. The couple remarried in a civil ceremony in Richmond after a month. They have 2 sons, Suleiman Isa and Qasim. The couple ended their 9-year-old marriage in June 2004, citing difficulties in adapting to the Pakistani life by Jemima as the reason. Later, in January 2015, he married British Pakistani divorcee Reham Khan, a former BBC girl. The marriage was short-lived and the 2 of them divorced in October 2015. In February 2018, he married his spiritual advisor Bushra Maneka. He made his Test debut in the 1971 English series in Birmingham, but failed to make a mark due to his not-so-good performance. In 1974, he debuted in One Day International in the Prudential Trophy and was selected in the national team after returning to Pakistan. His splendid performance against New Zealand and Australia during 1976 till 1977 added to his rapid success, which made him a prominent fast bowler in Pakistan during the 1980s. He was chosen as the captain of Pakistan cricket team in 1982. He performed extremely as a fast bowler and all-rounder, leading his team to its first Test victory against England at Lord's after 28 years. Under his captaincy, Pakistan won 14 out of 48 Test matches, loses 8 and 26, resulting in a draw. In the ODI version, he played 139 matches with 77 wins, 57 losses and 1 tie. A stress fracture in his shin kept him away from cricket for 2 years. He returned and gave Pakistan its first ever Test series win against India in 1987, followed by Test series win in England. He retired in 1987 but returned in 1988 upon Pakistan's President General Ziaul Haq request. He won a Test series against West Indies and was declared man of the series for his 23rd wicket haul in 3 tests. In 1991, he established Shaukat Khanum Memorial Trust, a charity organization associated with research and development of cancer and other related diseases, named after his mother. He became the hero of Pakistan in 1992 when he accomplished his great success winning the first ODI World Cup for Pakistan, defeating England in the finals at Melbourne. He retired from cricket in 1992 with 3,807 runs and 362 wickets in Test and 3,709 runs and 182 wickets in ODI. His World Cup record as a captain include most wickets, best bowling strike rate and the best bowling average in Test and best bowling figures. He entered politics in 1997 by setting up his own party, Pakistan Tehreek Insaaf, as an initiative to eradicate mismanagement and corruption in Pakistan. He contested in October 2002 election and was elected as a member parliament from Miawali. In 2008, he founded Namal College, an associate college of the University of Bradford, and established the Imran Khan's Foundation. During the 2013 election campaign, he started Naya Pakistan Resolution, after which his party posed a threat to the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz. He rejected an offer to collaborate with the Pakistan People's Party. He injured his head and back upon tumbling from a stage during a campaign rally 4 days prior to election, and continued to vote appeal from the hospital, but his party lost to the PMLN. In the 2018 Pakistan general election, Imran's party won the largest number of seats, defeating the ruling PMLN. He took oath as the 22nd Prime Minister of Pakistan on August 18, 2018. He received many awards. In 1976, the Cricket Society Weatherall Award for being the leading all-rounder in English first-class cricket. In 1983, he received Wisden Cricketer of the Year and Pride of Performance Award. In 1985, he received Sussex Cricket Society Player of the Year. In 1992, he received Hilal-e-Imtiaz. In 2004, he received Asian Jewel Lifetime Achievement Award. In 2007, Asian Sports Humanitarian Award for his efforts in setting up the first cancer hospital in Pakistan. In 2012, he received Asia Society Person of the Year.